Hey YouTube, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, or a Sunday ride around video that is. I did post a video on the Olin shock that I'd recently put in. But anyways, now that I'm back from this California trip and I got all the maintenance done on my bike, I'll start putting up videos weekly again. But today I'm gonna head over to, I don't even know how you pronounce it. I'm heading over to Lake Cavaleris, I think it's called. Hopefully it's not too packed. I want to get some drone footage. I haven't flown that thing in a long ass time either. And yeah, I'll cut ahead. It's 1:32. Near my coworker, maybe I'll call him up and stop by real quick, see if I can get some free food. Yes, I am a bottom feeder, a mooch. Care. Uh-oh, what's going on up here? This lake is super good for fishing, which I really want to get into. Every time I've gone though, I don't enjoy myself. I think somebody needs to teach me how to do it right. I can't even remember the name of the knot that I used to do. I feel like I talked to somebody at Bass Pro a while back and they told me, okay, you want to use this knot. I'm pretty sure it was called a slip knot. Not the band, come on. But yeah, slip knot with I would just put a worm, I guess. I still have all my like my tackle box and all my equipment, my fishing pole. My license is for sure expired by now. I got that license, what a waste of money. I didn't catch anything. But yeah, I would really like to get into fishing. Leave leave a comment below. What should I do to start out? Like, I don't know. I'm by myself out here, so that makes it rough. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, a huge shout out to Viking Bags. I doubt they're gonna watch this video, but their customer service is amazing. Last month when I went to California, I rode through that extreme hot desert, and one of the saddlebags, the glue started coming undone. It got so hot that the glue got like sticky. And I messaged them like, hey, this is not right. Saddlebags are not supposed to do this. And they had me take a couple pictures, and they said, yeah, you're right, mail us the old saddlebag and we'll send you a replacement. And they sent me an entire new set, and I'll show you guys when I get home. But you could tell that they updated the latching system on these new ones because they're much better. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, the first iteration of the bags that I had replaced. The latching mechanism that was really weak. It rattles. My bag's pretty loud, so I don't hear it when I'm on it, but when I'm just around the neighborhoods, I can hear the bags rattling. And then also, I wish the new bags had this, I don't know what you call this piece right here. That's pretty nice, but what I don't like is when you close the bags for the old ones, you gotta push down. So it's like they don't shut all the way, even if you drop it, you still gotta push down. Where the new ones, let me show you. Okay, these new ones, they close immediately, and also the latch itself is like rubberized. Like there's that one. I just think it looks better. And then when you shut it, you don't need to press down. It's already shut. I mean, you can lock it at this point, but same with this side. And see, that this is that piece I was telling you. I wish these replacements had that as well, because I think it just looks cool, but I really don't care. Yeah, you shut it, and it's down. Guess you gotta pay an entrance fee here. Oh, that sucks. Hi. Yeah, I just wanted to find out some information. How much is the entrance fee here?
It's $9 per adult.
Okay. And I'm just gonna make a U-turn around here. Is that fine?
Did you want any information on the park?
Oh yeah, please. Cool. Yep.
Go around these signs right here. These signs right here, just go to the left and it's going.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe I should have told it for you. I'm sorry, sir.
That's fine.
Well, thank you so much.
Yep. You too. short video today, guys. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any drone footage. Oh crap, I'm gonna turn this music down. Yeah, I couldn't get any drone footage, and the entrance fee to that place is $9. I'm not gonna pay that. That's ridiculous. I'll be posting a video weekly from now on again. I think that's everything. Like, comment, subscribe.